Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's your friend CryptoHook here. I've got some exciting news about the latest Memeland Airdrop update, and before we dive into that, I'm doing a special giveaway just for you. To enter, all you need to do is watch this entire video, like and share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments, tell me why you want some dollars. Once we hit 300 likes on this video, I'll randomly select one lucky person to win at least $60. Sounds awesome, right? So, let's get started. What is Memeland? Memeland is an innovative Web3 venture studio created by the team behind 9GG. Their goal is to empower communities globally by investing in projects focused on community engagement, creativity, and, of course, memes. They're bringing together blockchain technology with decentralization to build a community-driven platform, focusing on SocialFi and the creator economy. With the meme token, Memeland is all about connecting creators and communities, making it a central hub for meme culture lovers. Memeland tokenomics. Let's talk about the meme token. It's the backbone of the Memeland ecosystem with a total supply of 69 billion tokens. Here's the breakdown. Total supply: 69 billion meme tokens. Airdrop: 25% for airdrops, gradually unlocking. Community presale: 11%, with 2.75% available at launch. Other allocations, including ecosystem treasury, private sale, contributors, Binance launch pool, and advisory. This setup ensures that the community is at the heart of Memeland's growth, with rewards and engagement incentives along the way. What is the Memeland Airdrop and staking? Memeland's Airdrop is one of the biggest events in the crypto space. If you own specific Memeland NFTs like MVP, Captains, or Patatas, or if you join the presale, you're eligible to receive free meme tokens. You can also participate through the Memeland Airdrop bot on Telegram for more rewards. The airdrop, which runs until November, includes a chance for presale participants to enter a $1 million giveaway. Plus, Memeland offers staking with an APY of over 1,000%. By staking your meme tokens in Memeland's in-game bank, you can earn hourly returns, a fantastic opportunity for passive income. Here are some key reasons to participate in the Memeland Airdrop. Free meme tokens. Get your hands on meme before it's listed on exchanges. League system. Earn rewards by climbing the ranks as you accumulate tokens. Staking rewards. Enjoy high APY and rapid token growth through staking. How to buy and trade meme tokens. If you want to trade meme tokens, it's easy. Just head over to CoinEx, a trusted global exchange, and follow these simple steps. 1. Create a CoinEx account. Sign up on the platform. 2. Deposit funds. Add funds using supported cryptocurrencies or methods. 3. Find meme/USDT trading pair. Go to the meme trading page. 4. Choose amount. Select how many meme tokens you want to buy. 5. Execute the trade. Confirm and place your order. Memeland, backed by the 9GG team, is shaking things up in the Web3 and meme culture space. With their generous airdrops, community-focused tokenomics, and exciting staking opportunities, Memeland is a fantastic venture for anyone in the crypto space. Whether you're looking to participate in the airdrop, stake for rewards, or trade, meme tokens offer tons of potential. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the CryptoHook channel, and drop a comment below about what excites you most about the Memeland Airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more updates and tasks related to the meme token launch. Catch you later.